Je nás tu vidno z cesty. Podľa mňa trošku aspoň. No.
Ja to radšej zleziem.
No. Do piči.
Daj na to.
Do piči. Rozjebali sme mamkinu.
Viem ako nájsť. Pomalinky, keď tak. To je, hej, to je.
Ten zámok. Oh. OK. Jo. Strašne fúka tu. Tu extrémne fúka. No je. Veď vyskúšaj si to. Ideš nejako? Ide ti to? Dá sa? OK. Ja viem, drž sa z boku. No, tak. Aj to. Jo, počkaj, idú nejakí dvaja chudáci.
To je crazy, toto je fakt crazy. Poďte sa v akej výške, to je tak 3. Natoč ma! No. Tu má? Neviem. Nestíhame ten skorší časy. Neviem, či to otvorím zase ako. Au. No, sorry, no.
It can be easy holding fast to our dreams. City to city, moving at the same the in between. It doesn't take just anything to bring out the extreme. We leave to keep score. For us, it's run and go. For us, it's all we know. It's run and go. We think ahead out of force out. We run and go. For us, it's in our bones. It's run and go. We leave to keep score. For us, it's run and go. For us, it's all we know. It's run and go. We think ahead out of force out. We run and go. For us, it's in our bones. It's run and go.
Takže verdikt sme 120 metrov a akože tuto strašne fúka, ono sa to nezdá, ale aj tebe slzia oči. Mne extrémne slzia oči z toho vetra.
Ak by to krváca, to dole
Bránka akože nepoťahala. Výška zatiaľ mi nerobí problém. Výška je zatiaľ v pohode.
No, takže mám menší problémik tam dole niekde s autom. Parkoval tu. Jo, vidíte to. Ide preč už. No ale...
Fakt?
Hej, už ide preč.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more, speak out. It's about to head south.
Ja to rýchlo spravím. To nie. No, takže my tu chillujeme hore na vysielači.
Daj to na mňa.
A tu je 10 centov proste. A keď neviem, či tam som ešte čakať, ale dobre. to dáš. Taký tento sa celkom aj hýbe. Jaj. Ja idem sem. Aha, 10 metrov. OK. No, poď.
To nepríjemné, čo? Ticho. Fuj.